All right, it's May 29th, 2022. Little garden update today. I actually got married yesterday to my fiance. We got married up in New Hampshire. Just made a 4.5 hour trip back home, and I'm getting the garden ready before I go out to Hawaii tomorrow for our honeymoon. So today we planted some seedlings. We did, I did the watermelon right there, cucumbers. Those were all started from seed a few weeks back. Tomato, right there. Yeah. And then in the middle I planted kale. I just threw a bunch of different seeds in the ground. I did peppers over here, all seeds straight in the ground. So we'll see how those go. Still have some extra seedlings over here. I don't know what I'm really gonna do with those. They're not looking too great anyways. These ones kind of yellowish around the edges. Cucumbers there. Then we get a bunch of tomatoes. So we'll figure out what to do with that. Everything else is still growing good for the most part. In between the beds I planted flowers, sunflowers and cosmos as well. Just in between the beds over here. Potatoes are blowing up like crazy. You can't even see the ground through there, but take a look. Yeah, you can't, there's so much. It's crazy. So, yeah, it's pretty much taken over the whole bed. Strawberries are going like crazy right now. So over here, you got a whole bunch of them right there ready to go. More there, more over there. And then all these plants just have a bunch of berries ready to go. So I think when I get back from Hawaii in 10 days, it's gonna be blowing up. We'll have plenty of berries that are ready. Over here, the onions are actually going good. My first year growing onions. So this is just really just a test. See how that goes. And then lastly, I have planted some flowers just right around the apple tree and some beans. I'm just gonna test it out, run the beans like up the apple tree and see if that works. And I did the same thing with this one over here. Just planted stuff all around it. So we'll come back in 10 days or so and see what's changed. All right, have a good one.